Get your take on these recent comments we got from billionaire Steve Cohen. You know, Mr. Cohen speaks, people tend to pay attention and for good reason. And it was interesting, Ken, because it sounded bearish. I mean, the way he was talking, it was slowing growth and sticky inflation and the possibility of retaliatory tariffs. I mean, it sounded negative, and I'm just curious what you made of some of these kind of negative arguments you heard there.
Yeah, I mean, Cohen obviously has had a great track record, so he can't dismiss anything that he said. You know, over the weekend, you heard from Warren Buffett raising more cash, and then you start looking around like, what am I missing? What am I missing? Look, I think, you know, this year, unlike last year, I think the biggest drawdown last year was minus 6%. You know, our newsletter to investors in January, right from the beginning, said, listen, we're going to have a lot more volatility than the 6% drawdown. Get ready for it. But I think in the end, it's going to be worth it. And if you're tactical and you're buying on some of these dips like we're seeing right now, and you could sell, you know, a portion into rallies, and we'll have our rallies, but it's not going to be an easy kind of index, kind of let's hang out, make 20% in the S&P 500 this year. You know, we noted to investors, it's going to be a little bit dicey with the new administration or 2.0 Trump, however you want to call it. It's not going to be easy, and you're going to have to get a lot more tactical to make your returns.